This is our little country heaven. Our names are Rachel and Jose, and we live in our home with our 3 dogs. We love to travel, enjoy life, live and love, play music together. And work hard in East Tennessee, where we're also teachers. We love our home and nature. Join us in this adventure as we love, live, and work in our little country heaven. We are fortunate to have a local pizzeria that does distant seating dining. After a hard day of work at the house and before the beginning of school next week, we are grateful to share this time together, to fill our hearts and our bodies with this meal. What is it about light that attracts us so? Is it our primal instinct with fire? Light is warmth, Light makes us feel safe, and it fills us with hope for what is to come. May you walk along a path of light with those you love. May this year bring you all you hope for. And, like any good day, may all of your journeys always lead you